Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the top panel and side panel of your Lelit Bianca. It's a lot easier than you think. Let's see it. Before we start, here's a few things you need. Just make sure you have a big enough space so you can work on your machine. And also you make sure you have some old towels or some kind of cloth. Okay, put the top of your your machine as well. And then you need some screwdriver. I have a flat and Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure to remove the water tank first. Also remove the drip tray as well. The reason why I like to have some kind of towel or cloth on the bottom is easier to turn things around. Okay, very easy. Okay, first I'm going to remove the tray, the glass tray. I'm going to be using my flathead screwdriver to remove this water tank holder. I'm just going to remove it. Just one spin and then you just pop it out, okay? You can just actually pop it out. So come right up like this. Make sure don't lose this. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws to remove. I'm just going to use my power drill here. At this point, I like to spin around from the back, go like so, just like that. At this point, I'm going to just simply lift, and I'm going to put this one to the ground, okay? This is really strong, so don't worry about damaging it. Just make sure, put some kind of towel down underneath so it doesn't get scratched, okay? So I'm just gonna lift. This is very heavy, so make sure be careful, just like that. Okay, just like so. Okay, just like so. So now we have all the back is exposed. At this point, I'm going to remove this plug right here, wire as well. And then you see that another flat head drive, flat. I'm just going to remove that right there. Again, just the one turn. Just pop right up. You can just pop it open as well. And then simply, I'm just going to lift. And also we have one more screws. Okay, I'm just going to, oh, careful, pop it open. Okay, just come right up as well. And then I see another screws right there. I'm just going to remove that screw too at this point. Okay, it makes it a lot easier. Just remove it, the screws. Just make sure keep track of all these screws, by the way. Okay, just make sure keep track of it. And then you can just simply remove it, just like so. Okay. And as you can see, you have this plastic tie. You can actually undo this like so. I'm just gonna remove another plug right here. I just unplug it. Just gonna undo it like so. You can actually move things around. Okay. And if you really want to, just remove the hose. If you want to, you can remove the hose as well. For me, it's gonna be easier to walk around, so I'm just gonna remove the hose. It's pretty easy. Just little bit of pull, come right up. Okay. Just like so. So now you can remove the entire water tank assemble holder. At this point, I'm going to remove the foot as well. It's going to be easier to open it up, by the way. Okay, a lot easier. Come right up there and just, once we remove the footings, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws we have to remove. Let's use the power tool. It'll be a lot easier. Now all the screws are removed. I'm just gonna just work it here, okay, from the side to side, and they should be able to fall right out, just like so. Okay. Just lift it, just like that. And then what I like to do is at this point, I'm gonna put back on the foot right here. Just put back on. Now you can just stand up, straight up again, one more time. That's it. So now this is how to remove all the side panel and front panel. Since everything is open, so let me show you what's inside. Okay. Let me show you what's inside. As you can see, so that is the motor. Okay, so this is the motor. This is the overpressure valve. This is two solenoids right there. And then, let's see, the other side, obviously there's the boiler as well. There's a steam boiler. There's a steam boiler. So this is the actual brew boiler. Okay. And then it spins around on the bottom. And on the bottom here, so this is the rotary pump. Okay, so this is the rotary pump. So that's the pump location. As you can see, it's very easy to work on this machine, by the way. Very easy to get to. As you can see, removing the panels are pretty simple. So I hope this video helps. I'm going to see you guys next time.